Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You are not going to believe what you are about to see. I am both shocked and proud, but I'm going to let the video speak for itself. Enjoy. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com.
Hi guys, it's Amanda. It's just me and the pickup on the desk right now. I'm going to try to do this engine by myself. You guys don't tell Mark, okay? So here are the tools that Mark gave me, said I would need to get started. And this is a parts cutter off the sprue. But they look like they would be really good cuticle trimmers too. So, of course, he tells me I can't use these for my nails, just for the hobby. Okay, so that's those. And I got my very own hobby knife. But it needs to be a girly color. Maybe pink or purple. What do you guys think? And this is going to be the hardest part for me to just use for crafting, for modeling. Because I think these would be really awesome nail files. Got a lot of different, oh, wait a minute, what do you call them? They're sanding sticks. Yeah, that's what they are. Anyway, these are going to be interesting to learn to use, and I will probably use them on my nails some too. Again, don't tell Mark. Okay, let's get the engine parts. Get started with this. I need this. I think this is what I'm looking for. Okay. And fold out the instructions here. I don't know if this is how you guys do it, if y'all set your directions out so that you can see what you're supposed to do, but that's how you make a dress. So we're going to get started with this. And let's see. I need to go in the right direction with this, don't I? Well, I'm a little nervous, guys. Seems like that's backwards. Well, next time I'll do better. Let's see. Okay, my first time doing this. I hope I'm doing it right. Here we are. Oof. That was a little scary. Any of you guys remember your first time cutting parts off the sprue? I think I'm going to remember this for quite a while. Doing this is like cutting a dress out. If you aren't careful with what you cut, you don't have enough fabric. Alright, so that was belts and pulleys in the fan. Let's see, where's 34? Okay. That's almost coming off by itself, isn't it? What was that? Oh, I'll smell it later. I think if he were in here watching me, I would be more nervous. This is going to be a long process, it looks like, guys. What is this thing called? Is that an oil pan? Is that what that is? Does it go upside down like that? Oh goodness. Some of these things are so little. You know, my dad was a builder, and it was always, his rule was always to measure twice and cut once. Sounds like that might be what we need to do for the hobby too, huh? Okay, let's see. What have I got left? I've got this right here. I don't like that way. Probably need to get a little Ziploc bag to stick all this stuff in. Sometimes I wonder what's the sprue and what's the part. Goodness, I don't know why I'm getting nervous all of a sudden. All right. Here I am thinking this is the last part, and there's 3 more after this one, guys. Okay, 3 to go. Goodness, how's that one going to come off? There. I'm afraid I'm going to cut off something I need. All right, here we go. I think this is the last piece. Okay. Well, guys, I cut my first engine off. Out. Whatever. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. I won't be as nervous next time. I hope you have a great evening.